Pero ano man tayo makikita ko. Kay man! Ako na nakakaupo eh. Paano yung paano natin ka
Diba, Brad? Naano ka ni mama mo, Chan? Ano sabi mo?
Kung boy, hindi yun. Tayo na nagiinuman, tayo na mahalaga.
Diyan kami, diyan kami.
Oo, mama, iihi.
Dito kami, dito kami.
Wala mo iihi ko.
Bakit yung umihi?
O sige, yan o.
Ayan o. Dito ka. Mais ka, tangina mo. Kaya hindi ka pinapay ni mama mo eh. Doon. Ano sabi mo sa Pilipinas?
Pilipinas is a good.
Why?
Because Pilipinas is my country.
Then, why?
Because I will live in this Philippines in a 24 years.
Why can you say about Pinoy?
Pinoy is good.
Then, why?
It's a better.
Why better?
Better is a to human.
Why human?
Is
Ano masabi mo kay CJ Corona?
Sino?
CJ Corona.
It's a good.
Why good?
It's a better. It's a good in it's a honest and responsibility.
May responsibility.
Yung mahal. Alam niyo.
Spell, hindi define. Spell.
R-A-S-P R-A-S-M-N-B L-I-T-Y. Mahalanin. Dito sa ibang bansa ka, hindi ka mahalan ng tao doon kasi ibang tao yun.
Bakit? Paano mo nasabi yan?
Kasi ang mga ibang tao, ang kapwa yung taga-Amerika, yun lang iniisip nila.
Ano?
Kapang Amerika lang, kung sa India, ganun lang.
Ano sabi mo kay Hitler?
Hitler, you're a bitch!
Fuck you dito, fuck you!
Fuck you! You son of a bitch, I will kick your ass! I will kick your down your teeth from your throat! I will kick your teeth! I will kick your teeth! Your bayad!
Where's Hitler?
Hitler is a bitch and is a selfish!
Bakit Chanelo?
Charlo is a negra.
She loves you.
I don't love her because she is stupid. Is a negra.
How about Lil?
I don't like. Lil is a beautiful. Beautiful face. Yun lang.
Jessa.
Yes, it's a beautiful eyes.
How about what's your lookalike?
Neil.
I thought Kuya Ivan.
I don't like Ivan.
Why?
I like it, pero hindi ko siya like.
Bakit?
Hindi ko siya kamukha.
Bakit di mo siya kamukha?
Hindi magkaiba kami.
Anong pagkaiba niya?
Yung ugali.
Paano sa ugali?
Ewan ko sa kanya.
Wala na ba, Brad? Oo. Ay, Hitler is
a bitch and is a drug pusher. Is a syndicate of the terrorists.
Yung malalim na English, yung malalim.
Hindi ko na alam. I don't know what to speak English.
Like kiss the woods.
The word is a crap.
Okay, lasing ka na ba? So, how about your life? Tell about your life.
My life is good.
Good. Then, how good?
PR to many people.
What's PR? Spell people.
Public relations.
Spell people.
R-P-E-O-P-L-E.
Oh, you're good, ha? You're good.
Yes.
Then, what is responsibility?
Responsibility?
Ano, tahimik ka na dyan.
That's enough. Tama na.
How about your hairdo?
I don't care about myself.
Why you don't like your balls?
I don't care about myself.
How about your teeth? But why you
My
don't...
tip is beautiful.
Oh, but smile.
Smile is good.
Smile.
It's a very good. It's a slight good.
How good? One shot of your mouth.
My mouth is a very slight.
Why are you under intoxicating of alcohol? Then you're going to Quezon later, huh?
Alcohol is a very nice.
Why
And
not?
after that, I'm going to Quezon. But I'm calmado.
Calm. It's calm. It's like calm.
But I'm not innocent.
How innocent?
But I'm matured.
Yes, you're matured. Yes, you're not drunk.
Yes.
What's your opinion about what about sex?
The sex is not a good.
How not
Sex
good?
is a bad.
What's bat? What's
It's a bad. Because a poke is not the bitch. Poke is dangerous in your brain.
But ginger is luya. How dangerous?
The ginger is a good.
If you put it to your dick, ginger.
Ginger is
It's going down.
Oh,
your dick,
No.
huh? It's going
No.
down. No, how?
because
That's your dick. Yeah, there's a cockroach inside your dick.
no, the cockroach is healthy.
Oh, you're being called by your father.
Ano?
Let's go. You're called by your father. Let's go.
My father is good.
It's good, okay.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
No, I will not say goodbye because the emperor is still the drink.
Okay. Say bye-bye. Goodbye.
No.
Say
No, after the drink.
Say goodbye only.
Bye.
Bye.
Because the father is goodbye.
Okay. Bye-bye. Smile.
Smile.
Ano pa yun?
Kailangan ko na yung sa ayos na eh.